How to sign in to your Ubisoft account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log in or sign into your Ubisoft account. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to any web browser and just search in for Ubisoft login or Ubisoft. So once you're inside here, it will ask you to enter your login credentials. So since I don't have an account, I will click on create an account to officially create a first time Ubisoft account. So once you wait for it, it will ask you to enter your date of birth. So let me just fill it up real quick. So once you enter your date of birth, just like that, click on continue and enter your email address. It will ask you to enter your email address and password as well as Ubisoft username. So let me just fill that up. So once you fill all of your details, simply click on create an account button over here and wait for some time. You can also choose to save your password and it will send you a verification code on your Gmail which you added. So let me just enter that up. So once you enter your code, verification code, just click on create an account and then you'll be successfully logged into your account. So that is exactly how you can easily create and log in or sign in to your official Ubisoft account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.